Introduction to side-mounted air conditioning unit. The transverse air supply of AirTS side-mounted air conditioning unit adopts cyclone air outlet. The air supply direction is ensured to be forward with pressing force. Therefore, it can perfectly cover the front and the lower areas of the equipment. In order to ensure stronger lower air supply force in the heating mode to overcome the hot float effect of the air and to better adjust the cold and heat distribution in the area covered by the equipment, the oblique air outlet is additionally set below the cyclone air outlet. The air supply angle features stepless adjustment with the actuator, so that different working conditions such as closing, fixed angle air supply and swing air operation can be realized. The maximum and minimum angle of swing air operation can be flexibly set by the control system. Combining the transverse air supply of the cyclone air outlet, it can achieve fully covered air supply at different angles, thus effectively solving the problem of air supply dead angle of the traditional air supply mode, and the air supply effect is better. Introduction of automatic dedusting function of filter screen. The cleaning and maintenance of filter screen of the HVAC unit is critical to the proper use of the equipment. During the long-term use, the equipment filter screen will be covered with dust, resulting in unsmooth return air, which will directly affect the cooling, heating, fresh air, exhaust and heat recovery performance of equipment. If the filter screen is blocked seriously, it will also cause the fan overheat and even damage. However, due to the installation height of the embed installation of the equipment, the difficulty of cleaning the filter screen is big. The cost of manpower and facilities is high. In addition, sometimes it requires working at height with potential safety hazard. AirTS insists on the convenient and people-oriented use characteristics of products and has developed dust removal mode of filter screen vibration with the back blowing. In combination with the intelligent control system, it adopts the full automatic operation mode to solve the technical problem that besets the HVAC industry for many years. The vibration and back-blowing dust removal function consists of the following components: stainless steel filter screen, vibration device, metal beating mesh, electric control unit, contractor, frequency converter, fan. Dust is removed with the coordination of mainboard chip program. The filter screen material with the functions of vibration and back-blowing dust removal mode adopts number 304 stainless steel sheet, and the metal filter screen with any aperture size can be made with etching technology. Combining the vibration device, it can freely set 4 automatic dedusting time points every day with the control system terminal. When the dedusting command is enabled, the frequency converter controls the fan to rotate reversely, thus changing the filter screen air inlet state to the filter screen reverse blowing state. When reaching the maximum blowing speed, the vibration device is started to separate the dust from the filter screen, thus achieving automatic cleaning and maintenance of the filter screen. The function works automatically, which can greatly save the cost of manpower and material and prevent the potential safety hazard of working at height. Introduction to the function of anti-freezing protection. When heating in winter, the air conditioning equipment, in case of severe cold air invasion or too low water supply temperature and short-term operation fault of water system, etc., is very likely to cause the risk of frost crack of heat exchanger, which may cause water leakage and affect the use of equipment. In view of this problem, AirTS is developed with the anti-freezing protection function, and the temperature sensor and electric heating module are set inside the equipment. When the equipment main board monitors that the temperature in the equipment is lower than the set value, the main board will immediately start the electric heating module to ensure that the temperature in the equipment is kept above 5 degrees centigrade, so as to prevent the heat exchanger from frost crack. For the equipment with fresh air function, the fresh air inlet valve will automatically close at the same time. After starting the electric heating module, the power supply of the electric heating module will be cut off when the main board has detected that the temperature is over 6 degrees centigrade. The above process works circularly. When protecting the heat exchanger, it runs with low power consumption and then recovers to normal operation after the fault which causes the low temperature is solved. The control system only needs to set once anti-freezing protection start value, and the whole detection and control process is automatically and independently completed by the main board chip program. It can improve the reliability when ensuring real-time detection and processing. Production to anti-falling warning function. The air conditioner special for large space is generally installed at a height of 4 to 30 meters. It is not convenient to check the installation firmness. If the installation screw loosens, which causes the equipment to tilt slightly, it can't be easily detected in the initial stage, but it will cause the potential safety hazard of equipment falling. On the basis of intelligent monitoring system, AirTS has adopted the attitude monitoring and sensor technology to monitor the equipment balance status in real time and can find the problem and give alarm timely. Feedback to the monitoring system terminal through wireless mode and is displayed in the screen in the form of alarm. Additionally, the red alarm indicator on the equipment is on to indicate that there is fault, which is convenient for the maintenance personnel to check timely, thus preventing the potential safety hazard.